Guys, there is a huge problem in the tech industry that I don't think anyone is really talking about. People out there are talking about AI replacing jobs right now. The bigger issue is AI makes work feel more meaningless than ever. I've been working in the tech industry for over 10 years for the likes of Snapchat, Amazon, Tinder, Yelp, these kind of companies. And while back then work could have felt mundane or boring at times, there were moments in the work week where my contributions felt meaningful. My competence in a certain area, such as coding or writing product specs, understanding user problems, I really felt that those skills were making a difference for the company and that I was valuable to the company. However, nowadays with the advent of AI, competence doesn't mean anything anymore. Back then, 8 years ago, when I was working as a software engineer, when I saw some great lines of code, I would be amazed. I would be like, wow, this engineer is so smart. He was able to write these effective lines of code so cleanly. This guy, he's like the Guilfoyle from Silicon Valley. This guy is legit. And I would praise the engineer for writing good code. But nowadays, if you see good code, do you praise the engineer or do you praise Claude? It's safe to say the lines become pretty blurry when you know that every engineer is using Claude to write most of their code. In our current society, people work for two primary reasons. One is to make money and support themselves. The second is to generate some kind of meaning in our lives. We all want to be praised for doing good work. But now with the advent of AI, execution is so cheap. Essentially, everyone can be competent now with the AI tools. In today's world, if you are a better performer, it means you are automating your work more, which means you are digging your own layoff grave. The more you automate your work with AI, the more you're replaceable. Companies don't care about your feelings. They don't care about your past contributions. They only care about your value in the present moment. And as soon as you're able to automate all of your work, you're gone. They're gonna get rid of you. Now, the popular counter argument to all of this is that we still need humans for taste and judgment. But the problem with that is all of the work needed for taste and judgment, that's completely invisible. For example, if I take 3 hours to tune a prompt to generate me the best product spec, spend hours and hours refining the prompt, the end result could look the same as a product spec that was generated in a single minute. Oh, also another huge issue with tech work nowadays, now that we've removed competence from the equation, office politics becomes way more prevalent. Let's say before the advent of AI, you're a great individual contributor, you're a great engineer, you're just at your desk coding away and you do the best work. That is enough for the company to keep you. But nowadays, everyone can execute. Everyone has Claude code. Even a non-technical person can write code. So politics becomes the number one thing. Can you make yourself look the best amongst all your peers in the company? And I personally hate office politics. I just want to improve myself, get work done. If you're still in a tech job right now, you have to play office politics. That's going to become the number one most important thing. I mean, it already was really, really important in the past, but now like literally probably over half the job is office politics. I've just completely exited the tech industry for now. I'm trying to do YouTube. At least for me, this work feels meaningful. I'm still talking to a camera. I'm still improving my communication skills as opposed to tech work, which completely feels like you're just doing the work to make money nowadays. I honestly think the tech industry is cooked. Feel free to disagree with me. Let me know your ideas on how we can fix this. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.